guys, today I am making my southern black-eyed peas. Now the process is a bit lengthy, but it's well worth the wait. And we're going to pair this with a nice piece of cornbread. Let's get into it. We're going to start by soaking our black-eyed peas in some water. So we're going to take a bowl and fill it up with water. And we're going to add some baking soda to the water, add our black-eyed peas, and we're going to set that to the side and let them soak for 2 hours. Now you want to take the meat of your choice. Today I am using smoked neck bones. We're going to get those all cleaned up, get them into our pot of water. Now we're going to season our pot with some chicken flavored bouillon powder. We're going to use about 2½ tablespoons. Give it a good stir. Place your lid on, and we're going to let this cook for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, we have this lovely broth. And our meat is nice and tender, and everything is ready to receive our peas. Okay, let's get our peas together. Take a look at that water. Our baking soda and water has done its job. The water is really cloudy. That means all the dirt that was in our peas has been loosened up, and our peas are nice and clean now. So we're going to remove all the peas that have imperfections on them, and we're going to continue to run water until everything is nice and clear. Now I'm going to add my peas to my broth and my meat, add a few seasonings, place my lid on it, and I will check it at the 30-minute mark. And we're at the 45-minute mark, and you see how much our broth have reduced. We're going to continue cooking these, and we're going to check them again in 15 minutes. It has been 1 hour, and I went ahead and tasted my peas. The flavor is very good. However, my peas are not tender enough for me. So I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 cup more of water and let them cook until they're tender and the liquids has thickened. And 20 minutes later, they are ready. Guys, these are perfect. Look at the consistency. We do not need to thicken these. They are perfect. All we need is a piece of cornbread to soak up that beautiful pot liquor. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you use the simple ingredients that I have shared with you in this video, you too can have some beautiful, delicious Southern black-eyed peas on your table at any time. And don't forget to leave me some comments down below and let me know how well you enjoyed your pot of black-eyed peas. So guys, a little tip. When soaking your black-eyed peas in baking soda, it acts as a tenderizer and it cuts down on the cooking process. So we're just going to finish plating us up a little dish here. And we added us a piece of meat from the pot because we're just going to have us a bowl of black-eyed peas with some cornbread. And I'm going to sit back and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.